Welcome to the review channel. Today, guys, we're checking out this wireless driveway alarm. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review, and let me tell you guys, this thing's pretty neat. I got this for my mom because she's usually downstairs sewing or in the back room where she can't hear the door knocking sometimes. But this will be nice because she'll be able to hear when somebody's here and they won't think that nobody's home. First thing I want to show you is on the bottom. If the solar charger isn't charging it fast enough, you can recharge it here. Also, there's a switch here where you can switch it from, it says high, low, and off. That is going to be the distance that it senses out. So if you have a shorter driveway facing the road, you're going to want to set that to low so that it doesn't set off the cars. Here though, there's a big open area, and the driveway is further away from the house, so we want to make sure we got that set on high to make sure it's set for the maximum distance. The next thing you're going to want to do is power up your receiver. I put batteries in this one, but you can also plug it in with a USB-C and connect it to our doorbell. And it's going to make a bunch of noise real quick. And then we're going to want to connect it to our transmitter here. And once they're connected, switch the settings and make it make the sound we like and set it up inside. There are so many different sounds, guys. Look at this. There's animal noises, dogs barking, cats, bird tweets, all kind of noise you can set this to. Now, every time somebody pulls into the driveway, we'll know. And since it has a USB-C plug-in, we can either plug it in, but I'm going to put batteries in this one, like I said, and that'll let her know whenever somebody's pulling in the driveway or if there's a package here or anything like that. We approve of this product.